How to raid on Kick Streaming. Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to raid on Kick Streaming. So this is a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily, and if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. And now let's get right into it. So first, we need to log in to our Kick Streaming account. And when you're logged in, you will basically go to the upper right hand corner of your Kick Streaming. So there you will find your profile icon right there. Click on it. And when you click on your profile icon, go to Creator Dashboard. So here in the Creator Dashboard section, you can actually see in the right side quick actions, and there you have host. So you need to or it requires live streaming in order for you to host, or what we call raid in Twitch, into our Kick account. So after which, here if you started your live stream, you also need to have at least 5 viewers before you can get started. And basically that's about it for today's video. I hope that you find this video helpful, and thank you so much for watching.